What are TikTok Shop demand planning tools? TikTok Shop demand planning tools are software systems designed to help sellers forecast product demand, manage inventory efficiently, and plan restocking based on real time sales data. These tools analyze buying patterns, seasonality trends, and viral product performance to ensure sellers always have the right amount of stock available. The goal is to prevent both overstocking and stockouts, two factors that can negatively impact profit and customer satisfaction. Using Helium 10, sellers can track product performance, identify demand surges from trending videos, and plan inventory accordingly. Its analytics provide insights into sales velocity, profit margins, and historical data, allowing sellers to make accurate restocking decisions. This is especially useful in the fast-moving TikTok Shop environment, where trends can shift rapidly and demand spikes often happen overnight. Many successful TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10's demand insights alongside TikTok's in-app analytics to stay ahead of customer needs. By monitoring what's trending, they can forecast which products are likely to sell out, time their restock strategically, and maintain consistent availability, maximizing sales and minimizing costs. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced demand planning tools that help you forecast, restock, and grow your TikTok Shop business with confidence and precision.